Hello, I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. I'm very sorry if the sound goes a bit dodgy. That's because the compressor's on and other people are working actually in the workshop at GDK Veneering. So I am Jed and I am from GDK Veneering, and this today is a Jaguar 420G. Now I forgot how big these wood sets really are, and this one it's normally how they come into us: delamination of the plywood and also the veneer that's actually chipping off. This is just some of the pieces, and the small pieces over there. There's 45 pieces of woodwork that needs to be restored in this 420G set. So if you've got a Jaguar 420G, you know that all this wood is surrounding you in the car. So it's really, really important that we get every single job that we do, whether it be a 420 or a Jaguar Bentley or any other woodwork that we do, it has to be correct because it's right in front of your face. So if I can just show you some of these pieces here. So you've got the door cappings, you've got the dashboard, you've got the top roll, and you can see that the joint has already given up on that. So all the joints, by the way, we take apart and we re-glue before we start doing any veneering in any way. Excuse me. So that's the top roll. Then you've got the glove box door, obviously, and it gives it all this crazy type of a look on the lacquer when you can see it, and it needs all renewing. So okay, that's that set. Other parts of the set is over here. So over here we've got the picnic tables that go in the back of the seats. We've got the little companion tables that go in the back of the seats as well, which are there, along with an ashtray. These are the lights that joins these strips, and the light sits in that. And you can see from here that the veneer is literally falling off in my hand. The glue is no longer doing its job, hence that's why it all falls off. It's also veneered on the back piece as well, so that will have new veneer on there as well as all the framework. And also the last piece over here is this little table, little picnic table that pulls out from the front of the dash. It looks like that. That's also all delaminated, and see how spongy that really is. So that's there to be restored as well. I'll show you the veneer that is going to be going onto this set. So I know it looks like a golden colour at the minute, but it would have originally started out as a burr walnut veneer, and that would look like that. So this set was specially bought for this set. So this is for the Jaguar because the pattern isn't over the top, it's not too busy, and it's not all stretched out. So this is like in between, and this is actually going to look perfect on this set of woodwork. I'm just going to add a little bit of water to this veneer to give you the colour that this set will actually go. And you can see that I've put a little piece of crossband in there that goes all around the edges of the dashboard, the door cappings, the top roll, and pretty much every piece of wood that's in the car. So I'm going to spray that there, and I'm going to leave it for a second because that will actually change colour. Let's just spread it out. So this is going to give you the colour of the actual veneer that's going to be going onto this set, and that's how it would have kind of been when it was originally. Maybe slightly off, but that's how it would have been. So you can already see that the colour's actually changing, and that's the crossbanding, and that's the burr walnut veneer with absolutely stunning pattern on. And that's it really. Join us back when we've done the rest of it, of course, and keep following us, subscribe to us, and you'll be able to see this when it's actually finished to its former glory, and it's going to look beautiful once again. I'm Jed from GDK Veneering. Please click like, share, tell your friends, and subscribe on YouTube. Bye bye.